Welcome to the landmark grand opening celebration. Gorman acquired and renovated this phenomenal historic building into 94 affordable apartments and put $20 million in downtown Wausau.
The City of Wausau, we're obviously very thrilled to see your work on this local, state, and national historic site, so it's a big deal. But one of the things I love about working with Gorman is that you're not only taking care to preserve this historic building, but you continue to be a part of our local community fabric. We're super excited to see how this pushes us forward, as well as reflecting on our past.
You have to see it to believe it. The transformation that those units went through from what they were to what they are is incredible. This is what people deserve. So I'm really, really pleased that Gorman has taken the initiative to support our residents and our community members.
Really, this project is all about the collaboration that happened, right, among the developer and us, WHEDA, as well as other financing partners. So without that collaboration, it wouldn't have happened.
The other half of the story, though, is the residents. You guys are the real heroes for this 18-month process. That was amazing.
Over 150 years of the glue coming up and exposing parts of what I knew were pieces of the marble from back in 1924 when this place was originally constructed was so incredibly exciting to me.
We'll preserve the affordability of this asset for decades to come, for generations of residents that are going to call Wausau home.
It just feels like home here.